What's up YouTube? David here from No Swag Media. Feeling pretty sick today, have been for quite a few days now, but I wanted to make sure that I got on here and did a quick unboxing of this new item from Golf le Fleur, which is Tyler the Creator's new luxury brand. Today I have the Golf le Fleur and Globe-Trotter suitcase. Globe-Trotter, for those of you who don't know, is a luxury luggage company coming out of England. They've been around since 1897, and to this day pretty much all of their products are handcrafted. And yeah, so I'm super excited to open this up. Strangely enough, as I've kind of grown a bit from at least purchasing golf weighing stuff, especially t-shirts and things of that matter, I still buy the shoes when they come out occasionally, but I've just kind of grown away from graphic tees. And as I've, started to dive into making some of my own clothing and just a little bit more of a minimalistic style for myself, I've gotten more into accessories and things of that sort. As you can tell, I collect bags and trunks, and I've been doing that for a couple years now. And oddly enough, quite a while after I started doing that, Tyler kind of came out with the Call Me If You Get Lost sort of luggage themes and everything, so it kind of coincidentally coincided with my interests. And now Tyler with Golf le Fleur is sort of diving back into the things that I'm into, which is kind of cool that, as his brand has grown and as I've grown as a person, things are starting to meet back up again, where I'm still a super huge Tyler fan, the music, everything he does. I just don't buy clothing period as much anymore. I just kind of collect more luxury items, things that are more so investments. But it's super awesome to see that he's making luggage now, and I know he's had plans of doing it for a while. And yeah, I was really interested in the pink trunk. Well, there's actually a pink iteration with gold hardware, and there's a green and blue iteration with I don't know if it's white gold or chrome or brass or what the metal is, but he has two other trunks that are, you can tell by the construction of them that they're French made, and the booklet that Golf le Fleur released confirms that. But with the actual 14 karat gold hardware, at least on the pink one, the price tag of like right around $10,000 was a bit out of my range. And honestly, I'd feel more comfortable traveling, like getting actual use out of the Globetrotter stuff. And it is a bit more affordable, subjectively speaking, in comparison to the French-made stuff, which makes sense because the French stuff has a lot more leather and obviously finer materials going on. Things made in France like Goyard, Louis Vuitton, those sort of brands always tend to cost a lot more, but still, nonetheless, the Globetrotter stuff is still handmade, and Globetrotter is still a pretty infamous brand for luggage, and their stuff is known to last quite a while. So I'm super excited to open this up. Earlier today in a live stream on his Instagram, Tyler said that, I don't know if he was responding to my comment or what, because I left a few comments. It was the same comment saying, yo, my Globetrotter trunk is coming in the mail today. I left that a few times, and then right at the end of the live he was like, oh yeah, the Globetrotter stuff. Like, he was like, once you get it, like, make sure to use it, scuff it up, like, don't just leave it on the shelf, like, actually travel with it, because it's like real legitimate luggage. So
oh, and that Globetrotter shit, yeah, that luggage, that real. And when y'all get it, use it. Don't leave that shit in the closet. Don't keep it cute. Don't keep it on ice. When you buy it, wear it, use it, scuff it up, travel with it, use it, because life is very fucking short, and you don't want to be dead like, oh, I didn't get to wear my favorite thing, da-da-da-da-da. You're going to look dumb as fuck.
Yeah, I'm going to switch to a different view here, and we're going to actually open this up and see what's good with it. I got the largest size. I figured just for me, I actually want something that I can kind of use as a carry-on at a plane. And honestly, the price difference between the largest one and the smallest one wasn't that huge. So I was pretty okay with purchasing the larger one as kind of an early Christmas present for myself. So yeah, let's check this out. So yeah, before I actually open this up, I do want to note that as far as pricing goes, I was able to pick this one up from a website called, I think it was Matches Fashion, which is located in the UK. Golf le Fleur hasn't officially dropped this on their website yet. So I know that Selfridges, Matches, and the actual Globetrotter website have dropped this already. So those are kind of the places to get it early before the Golf le Fleur website. The thing was that with Selfridges and with the Globetrotter website, Selfridges, you had to pay a lot of like import duties because it's an expensive item if you're shipping to the United States. And on the actual Globetrotter website, the standard retail price was higher. So the cheapest place I was able to get it was from Matches Fashion. And on that site, this one, which is the Suitcase, which is the largest out of the 3 trunks available, it came out to, I believe, $1,730, I believe. Whereas on the Globetrotter website, it's like $2,019, and I'm not sure if they're charging additional fees past that, but it is quite a bit more expensive. And just for your information, in case you don't already know, the 2 other models available are the London Square, which is basically like a really small little type of, sort of like a side bag, mini trunk sort of idea. And then there was also a small attaché. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Attaché. I'm assuming it's attaché. But that one's kind of an in-between size between the really small handbag and the full suitcase, which is what I have here. In addition to these 3 trunks, they also have a passport holder and a luggage tag, as well as some like leather stickers that you can actually put onto the luggage. So yeah, enough talking. Let's actually open this up here. I have yet to see it in person, so hopefully they sent me the right one, and let's see. So as you can see, Golf le Fleur 20-inch suitcase. It even tells you when it was created, which is pretty cool. So this was created on the 7th of October, 2021. Sick. I think this is the final bit of wrapping paper. Yep. Here it is. Wow, this looks sick in person. Holy crap. Yeah, this is actually nicer than I expected it to be. I knew it was going to be nice, but I am really impressed at not only the size of this. It's pretty dang sizable. It's a lot. I would say like the height from top to bottom is definitely bigger than I imagined in my head for whatever reason. And the hardware is definitely brand new and plenty shiny, and the colors are definitely popping. I'm gonna get some B-roll inserts here to really show you guys everything, but yeah. So yeah, I'm overall really pleased with the suitcase, although unfortunately after filming the video I did realize that my specific suitcase does have a manufacturing error on the strap, which is blue, the hook for the buckle is actually placed backwards, so whoever constructed this specific suitcase accidentally put it backwards. So this kind of affects the easiness of being able to open and close that strap. If you look at the orange side, it's actually supposed to be curved the way that side is. So I'm gonna have to talk with the website I bought it from, and maybe even Globetrotter, to see what can be done about this, because it's nothing I can really fix myself without potentially harming the suitcase. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up the review. If you liked what you saw, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have plenty of golf and Tyler related content on the channel for you to check out already, so make sure to do that. And if you haven't already, check out my clothing brand, Ease of Mind Apparel. I'll have a link to that in the description below. Otherwise, yeah, please excuse my very sick self and my pretty bad voice. But yeah, peace.